Hi everyone. In today's lesson or video, we'll talk about infertility. Now, infertility is when the reproductive system fails to achieve pregnancy after 12 months or more of regular unprotected intercourse. Now, we think that this infertility is one man something, like it's only for female, without actually knowing that it's for both genders, male and female alike. Anyone can have it. Though some are caused by unexplained factors that no one can explain. But the major cause is what we're going to look into for both male and female. But we'll first look into the causes for male before we go into female. Okay, one thing that can cause infertility is when you have problem in the ejection of semen. As a man, if you have problem in the ejection of semen, it might cause infertility. Not might, sorry, it will cause infertility when you have problem in that. Because in this case, semen may enter the bladder. Instead of being expelled out, it now enter the bladder. This is what is called retrograde ejaculation, or sometimes known as dry orgasm. This is as a result of the muscle, a muscle called bladder neck, that normally contracts in order to prevent a backflow. So this particular muscle called bladder neck, it fails to do so. It fails to contract and prevent this backflow. Then thereby the semen leaks to the bladder. So these factors that can contribute to this dry orgasm, it also includes nerve damage around bladder neck. If there is a damage around the bladder neck, it cannot be able to do the function. If you have had previous surgical procedures that affect those reproductive organs, like prostate surgical procedure, or if you have taken certain drugs like BP drugs, just like atenolol, it can also affect or contribute to this bladder neck having a problem. Another important aspect is high intake of sugar. If you keep on taking a lot of sugar, it can also contribute to this factor. Yeah. So it's very important that you take these things into consideration. In our next video, we'll look at other causes, such as when you have a low sperm level, or when you don't even have sperm at all, and also when you have an abnormal shape of sperm, or if your sperm is low in mobility, like it doesn't move fast. So after that, we'll probably look into the female infertility. Thank you.